Oh, oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, but you don't know the exact date.
No, I don't know the exact date. Only thing I do know of is gorgeous out here.
Okay, January 22nd, I believe.
Yeah, 22nd.
Here, can you see? There is no snow on the ground. There is no snow. Now, I know the weather's bad there, and you haven't been out in a couple of days. So now you get a chance to see the beauty of Arizona. Hey, go get. George,
I think you should let him view this here, and he's probably gonna have a lot of words for you.
Now, are you talking about
Luger, that is.
No,
Oh, Ruger with a R. Oh, okay.
okay, now what do you want to tell Karen?
Karen, I love you, and I don't know. I just don't know unless you think you're an Eskimo or something, why you want to be back there. But then whatever you choose, that's what I choose. And that's what a friend's supposed to be. Right?
Bye now.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I see how this works.
Okay, now it stops.
Let's see. No.
Okay, you have to